Assalamu alaikum, all the beautiful faces out there. Hi, my name is Afzal and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well in your life, and Alhamdulillah, with all your prayers, even I'm doing beautiful in my life. And it's a Sunday, so I don't want to waste it. So thought of coming to Chamundi and showing you the best glimpse of this Chamundi that's there in Mysore. So yeah, people come here for exercise just for the demo that I'm showing you. And people come for a walk, they do cycling, they do all these beautiful stuff, and they have a beautiful temple here that I showed you some glimpse that I'm gonna be showing you the glimpse of it. And also just stay tuned. Hopefully you see the full vlog and just enjoy the best glimpse of this Chamundi and see what and all the beautiful stuff is there in Chamundi Hill. Stay tuned. Bye.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही जो थी कल तक बस आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू, आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूम।
Come, I'll show you the best beauty possible. I seriously want to recommend you guys to come to Chamundi Hill, that too in the morning time, because I don't want you guys to miss this beautiful nature, what's there in Mysore. But I seriously recommend to come in the morning time or else in the very night time, because you'll see the best glimpse of this Mysore possible. And this is such a beautiful greenery. Oh my god, you can't miss it. Stay tuned.
पिघले नीलम सा बहता हुआ ये समा, नीली नीली सी खामोशियां, न कहीं है जमीन न कहीं आसमां, सरसराती हुई टहनियां, पत्तियां कह रही हैं कि बस एक तुम हो यहां, सिर्फ मैं हूं, मेरी सांसें हैं और मेरी धड़कनें, ऐसी गहराइयां, ऐसी तन्हाइयां, और मैं, सिर्फ मैं। अपने होने पे मुझको यकीन आ गया।
Baby. Bye.
एक बात होठों तक है जो आई नहीं, बस
Your coffee is something what I always take it here, but coffee wasn't ready, so don't want to make it late. Tea is also something that I love, and especially in the nature areas, tea is something what is commendable, and I just love it. It's okay, you can join me. Oh, so let's just get into the temple area that we have, and like it's actually beautiful area, and especially in the morning times, if you come, it'll be such a snowy area. Yeah, I just love it. You see the fog and everything. Not the snow, obviously. Here, there's no snow at all. It's a fog area that if you come in the morning time, you'll see a kind of very good fog here. So yeah. The steps journey, so let's go downstairs and show you how much I can go downstairs and like come upstairs, because going down is very easy and coming back upstairs is seriously difficult, but still I'll show you. Come back. If it's something greenery, I would obviously prefer going and just see the beautiful nature. We need to adore the nature that we have it, and we are so blessed to have such a nature. And yeah, I just love it, and gonna make you guys also fall in love, that is for sure. So I was here with one of my friend, and she named this place and this view as a Greece, just because it's all white. I don't know how did she came up through that thought, and she named this place as a Greece. So I'll show you the view, just wait and watch. Roaming around is something that I love, and like here I got an opportunity of climbing hill, coming down from the stones and all of those, and I just loved it. Just look at the view. It's superb. Shoot area where he's sitting and taking it, and it's so cool to take a picture from that side. And I hope I had got that opportunity of taking a picture from there, but I couldn't take it. One beautiful learning here, there are a lot many people here around me. They're gonna see me. If I get hesitant, then I'm not gonna make any content, that is for sure. So you just have to be very confident with what you're doing, and you just have to continue rather thinking about what people gonna think about you. You just have to continue what you're doing and just make a beautiful content for you guys. Stay blessed. I'm actually done, I guess, because I have come down like hardly for 300 stairs, and I'm almost done for the day because I've not eaten anything as it's a morning time. I just woke up, got freshened up, and then came here to just show you everything. And I think only 300 stairs and I'm done with it. Rather going 1,000, it's just 300 that I'm done. It's okay, I guess. So let me just go back now. I need to climb back. That is another one task. Coming down is very easy, and going upstairs again is seriously difficult job. So let's see how that journey gonna be, and I'll show you that also. Stay tuned. Oh, this is such a beautiful view, and after 300 stairs, oh look at this man running. After 300 stairs, if you come down, you get this beautiful view, and I've clicked such a beautiful pictures here, and like this way is blocked, and like earlier we used to take our two-wheelers from this side, and that's the way that you can go down also. But this is such a beautiful view. Let me just show you how I look. We start going back as it's stairs that I simply can come only for 300 stairs down and have to go back upstairs again. It's very tough going back as it's very easy coming down. So let's see how hard it will be for me to complete the whole journey of getting up for 300 stairs. Just look at the beautiful view, guys. I actually had to sit down and like take rest as it was so tiring coming from down. Dude, you guys have to try this, that is for sure.
उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ खुली है जो पर कहेगी नजर लगता है अब है जागे हम फिक्रें जो थी पीछे रह गई निकले उनसे आगे हम हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो